Happy birthday, dear Granny. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
You're
Would
welcome.
you like a sip of
Let
wine?
me blow her candles out first.
Like the wine?
She wants a
Mom,
ball.
let me blow her candles out
Yes?
first.
Okay, blow your
You better
candle.
put them near her face, Steve, the other
Ready?
way.
3, 2, 1. Make a wish and blow out your candles.
There
I
she
wish.
is, there she is. That's what keeps me up at night. Oh gee whiz, oh gee whiz. That's why I can't eat a bite. Those flaming eyes, that flaming youth. Oh mister, oh sister, tell me the truth. Ain't she sweet? See her coming down the street. Now I ask you very confidentially, ain't she sweet? Now ain't she nice? Look her over once or twice. Now I ask you very confidentially, ain't she nice? Just cast an eye in her direction. Oh me, oh my, ain't that perfection? Now I repeat, don't you think that's kind of neat?
Yeah.
Now I ask you very confidentially.
And here's your wine. Good job, Mom.
Thank you.
Turn on the lights, yeah.